Are you looking for that low budget, authentic hairstyle that really vibes with your true essence? In this video, I'll answer a common question I get. What are freeform locks? This might be for you, this might not be for you. But then stay tuned, okay? Go grab a glass of water and then we'll talk about this. Okay, great. So you're welcome to yet another fantastic video on freeform locks. I'm Emmanuel Ikokole from Freedom Locs, and I'm presenting to you a new video. Actually, we're going to talk about what are freeform locks. We're going to answer that question. Actually, what are freeform locks? What does freeform actually mean in there, right? So I want to start off with this wonderful definition I found from Jason Williams. The manifestation of melanin magic materialized through hair follicles of blackness to bloom beyond boundaries and limitations. Let me read that again. The manifestation of melanin magic materialized through the hair follicles of blackness to bloom beyond boundaries and limitations. Wow. Beyond boundaries and limitations. That's the key actually to what freeform locks are. They go beyond boundaries and limitations. So freeform locks are also referred to as freedom or freestyle locks. They also call it like the neglect method. But I really don't agree with the form of neglect actually. What it actually is more of self-acceptance than neglect, okay? And the freeform method actually allows the lock to form organically, right? What does that mean? It means that you just let them grow without the assistance of hair products and a lot of manipulation, and you just allow it to grow from the root out into the universe, right? So what happens is each section of hair, right, actually sections itself. Each section of hair actually starts as one twist and then it takes a life of its own, okay? Each section, as you can see right here, I'm starting off here, and this is 4 months in right now. So what happens is each section then begins to form a twist, as you can see here. I actually met friends who are like, Amano, why are you twisting? Why do you twist? I mean, did you actually twist the hair and all thing? And I'm like, no. You just let it twist on its own. The freeform method in essence allows you to roll out of bed and just head out the door without bothering too much about fixing your hair and everything. So actually the messier the better. The messier the better. So no combs, no brushes. I just let the thing do. I just wash and go. The most you have to do actually is wash and go. You wash the hair, you let it go, and my routine actually is doing it once a week. You just have to do like washes like once or twice a week, and then you're good to go, right? So freeform locks in essence can actually help you save a lot of money, because you won't need to go out of pocket to go meet a loctician to have you do retwist every now and then, okay? Ever since I started now for like 4 months, I haven't been to a loctician. Very minimal. I just use water and soap. That's all I need. Water, shampoo, and then a shampoo that's not aggressive. That is that wouldn't let any build up or any residue free shampoos. So that's all you actually need. And lastly, you can also you can grow them into any shape you want. You see, there are many varieties of freeform locks, and that's what allows for its versatility. I mean, depending on your personality and what you like. There are moments when you want to separate them. I haven't gotten there yet, and you want to have like someone bigger locks, thicker, thinner, and thinner strands. And the last aspect I want to talk about now is what is not the visible side of what is happening when you're growing freeform locks, right? It's your personality inside, your character, right? Because choosing to be your natural self is extremely empowering. When you choose to grow freeform locks and go and take that route, right, there are going to be a lot of misconceptions about who you are and what you're doing. Connotations to this, right? Witchcraft, poverty, neglect, and and being a gangster and just being rough or smoking weed and stuff like that, which is associated to it. So you actually have to, in the process of that, you'll be building a lot in your character, right? And this still goes with self-acceptance. you actually learn to love yourself on a much more intimate level through the constant changes that will be going through your hair. I personally have had to, right now, even I'm going through that same process, right? And you know, you walk into a bar or a shop or a store and they're looking at you strange. It's like, this guy is weird and all of that. See, it's all about that. And you begin to find strength in your uniqueness. That's what will happen along this journey. You find, you deep, as you're digging deep, you enjoy your uniqueness as a person, and other people may see and feel this energy and would actually want to feel that also for themselves. That's the truth of what they will not tell you this, but that's what actually happened. And you begin to understand therefore that there's nothing negative, ugly, or even scary about your natural hair, right? So it's really a journey of self acceptance, of assertiveness. And the takeaway from all this is what is that freeform locks are all about freedom. It's about freedom and acceptance, and accepting your hair in its completely natural state, accepting its texture just as it is. It never goes out of style. So if you really, really, really appreciated this video, I'll really appreciate if you would click on that like button, click on the subscribe button below, and click on the bell button so that you'll be notified every time I release a new video. So you enjoy your freeform lock journey, and let's stay locked, guys. This is the journey of self-acceptance. So see you on the next video.